Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now today we have a scenario of creating a simple database system for your hospital in Microsoft Access, consisting of just two tables, patients and appointments. Okay, let's start the video by answering this question. Okay, now this is our scenario question. We have two tables. We have the patients table and the appointments table, and we have some simple questions here down. For example, you're going to learn how to create a relationship, answer these queries, and then also do different forms for registering patients. Without further say, let's start. Now you open your Microsoft Access, then you click on a blank database. You write here hospital. You can write hospital database or hospital database, any name. Click here and make sure you get you save it in a location that you want. I'm just going to save it in the documents, then create. Okay, now we have a blank table. I'm going to close this and we start from scratch. Now we have two tables. We have the patients table and the appointments. We are going to start design the patients table. Now we have here the patient ID, the full name, gender, age, and phone number. Now we are going to create a new table and we are going to call it patients. Come to create table design. Then we start entering in our fields. We have the first have the patient ID, sign it with auto number, then the full name, short text, gender, Now this one we are going to use lookup wizard. Click to the lookup wizard. We'll type in the values. Click next. Then I type female and male. Next, limit to list. Then click finish. Then we have age. It's going to be number. We have the phone. Short text, then address, short text also. Then we assign a primary key to this field. Right click and choose primary key, then you save, you give it a name, patients, click OK. So now it's created. Now let's create another table for appointments. Come to create table design and start appointment ID, auto number, have the patient ID number, we have the date, it's a reserved word but it will work. Okay, date stroke time. You're going to come back and change the format. Then we have time, date stroke time. We have the doctor, short text. We have the department. Also we are going to go with the short text. Then assign this as the primary key. Then come to the date format here and we are going to change this format. Click that. Then you choose medium date. Then come to time format, you choose time medium. Okay, short time. Okay, let's go with medium time. Yeah, I think that's it. Then save, call it appointment, close. Now you have two tables. You have the appointments and the patients. Now you're going to create a relationship between the patient table. Then now let's create the relationship. And this is going to be a one-to-many relationship between the patients table and the appointments table. Okay, and here I've tried to list it, that it's going to be between the patient's ID from the patient's table and the patient's ID from the appointments table. Let's do that. To do the relationship, you come to database tools, then you go under relationships, then now you add these two tables. You can either double click or do that, then press shift, then you drag them aside, and then you have these two tables. Okay, this is going to be the master table or the parent, and this will be the child. Now come and long press and drag the patient's ID from the patient's table to the patient ID in the appointments table. Then here you are creating the relationship. Make sure to check enforce referential integrity and also these two if you want. Then click create, and there you have your relationship, one-to-many. Okay, then save, and then you can close this. Now the last thing that I would love to do is to come in the appointments table, design view, then under patient ID it usually comes with a default value. Come here and remove it, save it, then also in the patients and which one, age, come in there and remove that default value. Yeah, then now all you need to do is to design the patient form and the appointments form that you're going to be using to enter these records. And this is a bit easy, but to create, I'm going to use the form wizard. Form wizard, choose the table. You're going to first deal with the patients, take all the records, next, give it patients, entry form, then click finish, and there you have your simple form. Do the same with the appointments. Choose appointment, take all the fields, next, appointment, it's a form, finish, and there you have your appointments. Okay, now all you need to do is to enter in the records for you first write in the patients, then after you write in the appointments. Yeah, but I want to save time. I already did create a database. I think let me just import. I already created a database with the data in. Let me do that. File to this one. Okay, see, I already have the records there. You can see that. Yeah, meaning let me recreate the forms, patients, so that you can see appointments. Okay, and that's how it should look. You can go through these appointments. You can see that all the records are there. Also the patients, you can see all the records are there. Okay, let's start answering our queries. The first query is create the following query: list all female patients. How do you do that? And you're going to create a query that is going to list all the female patients, and the patients table will be our source. What to create? Use the query wizard, simple query, choose a patients table, take all of them, next, and here you can see, oh no, okay, can rename it, close, come to the query, then rename. We need to call it female patients. Open it in design view, and then we are going to just write one simple criteria under gender, and here you are going to write female. Then you run it, and there you have all the female patients. Save, then close. That's how you do that. Then show patients scheduled after 3rd October 2025. Okay, and to create, then query wizard, simple query. I'm going to choose appointments, but this time I want to choose the table patients. I take the full name and I go to table appointments. I take the date, time, doctor, and department. Yeah, because of the relationship, it should work. Click next, next, call it scheduled. And I'm going to choose modify, finish. And before I insert the criteria, if I run, this is how it looks. You can see I have the full name and the appointments. That is the advantage of relationships. Go back to design view, then you go under the date. Now let me zoom in, I show you what I'm writing. Should be greater than. Dates are enclosed in the hashtags. I said 3 of October 2025 for the hash. Let's see, after, okay, click OK, and then run, and there it will sort out all the patients that are scheduled after 3rd of October 2025. You can see that. Then save, close. Now display the patient name, doctor, and department for all appointments. Okay, come to create, query wizard, simple query. Remember, they have told us the patient name, and the patient name is found in the patients table. Click that, take full name, then the doctor, it is found in the appointments table. Take doctor and also the department. Yeah, then next, patients grouped. Okay. Anyway, you can write anything you want, then just finish. And here to show you the full name, doctor's name, and the department of that. That's it. Then find all patients about 40 years with appointments in cardiology department. Okay, now we are going to query wizard, simple query. Now you're going to take details from the patients. You're going to take the full name and go to appointments. We take the date and also the department. No, sorry, let's take back the date and department. Full name, again patients, take the age, and then come to the appointments, take the department. Yeah, okay, let me take even the date, time, and doctor. Okay, and next you can see this, These two fields are from the patient's table, and then these other fields are from the appointments table. Next, and say above 40 years. Click. When you click finish, this is how it looks. You can see the full name, the age, the department, date of appointment, the time, and the doctor. Go to design view, and now we're going to have two queries. First is the criteria. Sorry, we are going to have two criteria. The first criteria is above 40 years. Come to age, right click, then zoom above 40. That's the criteria. Okay, then come to the department, and the department I have to get the spelling of, you see it has listed now all patients above 40. Let me copy this, but you see we have patients above 40 in orthopedics, neurology, general, and but you only need this in cardiology, meaning you are going to add another criteria. Come back, then you go under department, right click, zoom, then you paste in cardiology. Spelling matters. Click OK, then run it. You can see that it has filtered patients, only patients who are above 40 and are found in cardiology departments. Save, then count the total number of appointments scheduled in October 2024. Close this, create, go to query wizard, simple query. Now you're going to just take, let me see, total appointments. Let's go to the appointments. I'm just going to take the appointment ID and the date. Next, October appointments. Click finish. Now it will list all of them, but we just need to count. We are going to come back, right click, design view, and now we are going to add we are going to enable the totals. Come to design, query design, come under the show stroke hide. We are going to show totals, and come under the total row. Here under the appointment ID, choose grouped by, choose count, then under date choose where, choose where. Then under the criteria we are going to add where the date is above /10/25. Now we can add here the equal signs for that scheduled in October. Sorry, in should be between, sorry, between 1st and, you can write and 31st, if I see 30th, okay, 10s and 30, no, 31st, should be 31st, yeah. Anyway, /2025. Then click OK, then run it. You can see to list all appointments scheduled between October which are on retain. Yeah, you can see count of appointment ID. Yeah, and that was the criteria. Then the last question is generate a report showing all appointments grouped by department. Come to create report wizard, generate report showing all appointments. Go to where I want to take the patient's name, go to appointments, we take the date, all appointments scheduled in October, we take the time, doctor and department, group by department. Next, and how do you want to view your data? You're going to choose appointments. Okay, by patients. Next, how do you want to add any grouping? I'm going to add department. Okay, let me go back. I've seen something. Next, then I'm going to choose appointments. Next, under grouping, I'm going to choose department. Yeah, like that. And next, let me choose landscape and orientation. Next, let me just say grouped by department, and click preview, finish, and you can see that is how your report will be. It will be grouped in by department. You can see cardiology, we have 2 patients, 2 appointments. General, we have 3 patients. Gynecology, we have 1 patient. Orthopedics, we have 1 patient, like that. You can see that. That's how you can create a report that is a bit grouped by a certain field. And you can close that, then you can close the report. And that's it for this video. We'll meet in another one.